Hello, law aspirants. The CLAT 2026 exam is done and the definitive analysis is here. This video is your complete guide to understand exactly how the paper went, where the difficulty lay, and what score defines a good attempt. So, people, our overall verdict for CLAT 2026 is that the paper was moderate, with 80 to 90 being the benchmark for a successful attempt that puts you in the race for a top NLU. So over here, I'm going to talk about the section-wise analysis, followed by the comparison of CLAT 2025 and 2026 paper. I'll also talk about the CLAT 2026 question paper with detailed solution and the other useful resources which we at Careers 360 are going to provide you. Well, now let's move ahead and talk about the exam analysis. Let's break down the difficulty section-wise. English language and reading comprehension was the easiest section, rated easy to moderate. Herein you can have a look. A good attempt here was high, aiming for 18 to 20 questions. Yeah, absolutely right. The remaining three core sections, general knowledge and current affairs, legal reasoning and logical reasoning, were all consistently moderate. The good attempts ranged from 15 to 22 across these sections. Quantitative aptitude was also moderate with a good attempt ranging from 12 to 16 questions. Moving ahead. And now let's talk about the section-wise analysis. Where exactly did the questions come from? If I now just talk about for legal reasoning, the focus was heavily on core concepts like constitutional provisions, amendments, and landmark court judgments, including same-sex marriage and governor powers. Herein you can have a look. Absolutely right, yeah. Now, GK mixed static knowledge with current affairs across international trade, sports, and diplomacy. Logical reasoning was traditional, dealing with puzzles, coding, decoding, and family relations. You can just have a look. And finally, if I talk about quantitative aptitude, relied entirely on data interpretation, specifically tables, ratio, and percentages. So if I just talk about the difficulty level, as I told you already in the previous slide, for the English language and reading comprehension, it was ranging between easy to moderate level, and rest other sections, they were moderate basically. Now let's move ahead and talk about the comparison. Yeah, how does this compare to the last year? The trend is absolutely clear. The paper stability remains, but the scoring window has tightened. The GK and current affairs section shifted from easy to moderate in CLAT 2025 to distinctly moderate in CLAT 2026. Herein you can have a look. What I want to say. Crucially, the good attempts needed in legal reasoning, they dropped significantly from an ambitious 27 to 28 questions in 2025 to a more realistic 18 to 22 questions in 2026. This suggests that while the difficulty remained similar, the passages in 2026 required more time and were less direct, placing greater pressure on time management. So people, I now just want to talk about, now that you have the analysis of today's CLAT 2026 paper, what's next? Immediately download the CLAT 2026 question paper with detailed solution. It's available for free. Use the official CLAT College Predictor to enter your expected score and see which national law universities, NLUs, you are likely to be shortlisted for. Herein, we at Careers 360 are providing you with the useful resources which can actually help you out for your preparation for CLAT 2027 examination. Just click on the link given to you in the description box, and herein you can actually find out the PDFs that I'm going to just show it up over here. So when you click the link given in the description box, this kind of the interface wherein you need to fill all the information required, just click on this free download button and you'll be actually redirected to this particular ebook for your further preparation to CLAT 2027 examination. We also do have some other ebooks. If you just click on it, filter it up, and all the ebooks will be provided to you, whatever you feel like that has been useful for your preparation to CLAT 2027. So over here at Careers 360, we have created many ebooks for your age basically. Fine people? Yes. The link of each and every ebook, if I just talk about CLAT preparation guide, CLAT full test sample paper, CLAT 10 free mock test with solution, CLAT PYQs with solution. We at Careers 360 have created the ebooks for all of them. So you can access them freely basically. They are freely downloadable to you people. Okay. Same is the case over here. If I now just talk about for the ebooks of CLAT 2026 unofficial answer key, CLAT 2026 complete exam analysis, CLAT 2026 question paper with detailed solution. We have created all the ebooks which you will get at Careers 360 platform. The link of each and every ebook is provided to you in the description box. Just click it and access it free of cost. So people, the CLAT 2026 exam was moderate and required sharp time management. Use this analysis to fine tune your preparation for the next round of competitive exams. Thank you very much.